Ani saw this and she said,
"Are these like butt plugs or something?"
So today we're going to be shooting and telling you guys about a new trend going around, and it's cupping for the face.
I mean, I don't know about this. Nora really had to convince me into this one. I don't understand what is happening here with all these parts.
I'm all about cupping, acupuncture, like that whole thing.
Acupuncture, sure, but like...
Have you tried cupping?
No.
On your body?
No.
It's awesome. The first time I ever got cupping done, so many toxins were like released from my body that I was physically weak for 2 days. Hello! That I was physically weak for 2 days because it had just like cleansed my entire body. So I really believe in cupping therapy. But this is cupping for the face, and it's supposed to be for basically anti-aging. So for your wrinkles, helping your skin not go this way, but go this way.
Okay.
So we're gonna try this out. I ordered this one on Amazon. How much did we pay for this one?
It was like $15.
Yeah, there's this other brand that markets in a way better way, but this one was Amazon's choice.
Yes, we'll put a link. Less returns.
We'll put a link in the description. The other one that has better marketing is the exact same thing, but it's just has fancier packaging. That's why they I think it was like $60.
I like this one because the instructions look easy.
Yeah, it's like step 1. Step 2.
Does this go in your ears?
Okay, it's not funny, okay? I'm trying to make you look younger. Do you not want that?
I want to look younger.
Okay.
Do I look younger now?
All right, so for benefits, I'm going to read the benefits of cupping from the internet so you guys
get... From the World Wide Web.
So you guys get a better idea. Cupping for the face is basically good for wrinkle reduction, and it's an instant facelift. Cupping therapy is an ancient practice that supposedly increases blood flow and helps sore muscles heal. Practitioners create a vacuum inside a glass jar in the suction to draw blood to the surface. Oftentimes it leaves big bruises on treatment areas, kind of like giving your body a huge hickey. Have you seen it? There's been pictures of like Justin Timberlake, Gwyneth Paltrow, like their back, Nicole Richie, their back's all bruised. So what else is there?
It relieves physical and mental stress. Yeah. It detoxifies the body. It speeds up the process to relieve colds, coughs, and other allergy medicines. It decreases cellulite. It tones your skin, reduces stretch marks.
And then one of the doctors here has spoken about like why the facial, because it's different for the body and it's different for the face, obviously. So it's saying that any type of facial massage can promote a healthy lymph system by relaxing and stimulating muscles and draining the fluid back down to the neck. It's all temporary, but people do swear by it.
Okay.
So I got this article from self.com. And
so I know that usually cupping requires like a glass jar and fire. So we are not going to set our face on fire because it says not to. The instructions specifically say it. And these are silicone ones. So instructions are pretty easy. You basically place it on your skin. You gently squeeze it to create a vacuum. And then you let go of it, and it draws the skin into the cup with both hands. So are you ready?
Yeah. I'm curious to see...
What sizes do we use?
I think these are the face ones. I'm curious to see if we're going to bruise from this, though.
Oh, you do just these?
I think so.
Okay. So first step is to wet your face. We are going to just put literally just some water on our face and then start cupping.
Okay. So what you do is... My problem areas are on here, so I'm going to... lift this area, and what you have to do is put it on your skin and don't do what Ani's doing, and basically suction it and massage it up.
Oh, massage it up?
I think so.
I think you need to do this for one.
No, I think that's how you get bruises.
Oh.
Because it's saying move it in zigzag or straight. Am I gonna look plumper? This is, I think, good if we'll see if we bruise or not. But if we don't bruise, I think it's good if you have an event to go to. Kind of, it gives you that plump skin that you want. Am I getting bruised?
My face is farting. You're getting red. Am I?
Yeah.
Do I look better?
You look so young, Ani. What did you do?
This is what I did.
Ani looks so young. You know why, guys? It's because she acts like a 5-year-old.
Yep, I'm young at heart. Comes out.
It helps. So basically, what this does is it releases wrinkles.
Cool.
Okay? And if you have like a deep wrinkle somewhere, basically just like focus on that area and like let it kind of like brings it out. This is obviously something you have to do like
This feels really good.
religiously. I'm telling you, dude, you have to try cupping for the body. It's like ridiculously good. Highly recommend.
Do you guys want us to do a video on cupping on the body?
Oh yeah, should we go get
Like cupping done?
cupping therapy? Let us know in the comments, you guys. And the professionals could tell us all the benefits. I used to get cupping done when I was trying to get pregnant.
Huh.
Yeah, during my treatments.
I used to do fertility acupuncture.
I did that as well. I did everything.
This feels so good. Like I kind of want to take a nap now.
That's not saying much. You always want to take a nap.
That's true.
Ooh, shade thrown at Ani.
It's really not because it's true.
Let's try the small ones. Maybe for like the
Nose or something.
Oh yeah, right here. Lately I've been obsessed with like my big pores right here. I find these weird things to be obsessed with, you guys. Does this make our blackheads come back?
Oh, maybe this is like for the frown lines too.
Oh yeah. Hello. So do this, get the suction, and then move it all the way up. So guys, we got it down. So what you do is get the suction, so it's like stuck on there, and then move it.
Like roll it up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back to the big ones. I like those better.
Okay. Yeah, the big ones are easier with the suction.
Can you like make your lips bigger?
Well, I don't know. Let's check.
Okay, let's go with the big one.
No.
After you're done cupping, you're supposed to massage your skin for about 5 minutes.
All of these gadgets and like products are cool, but one of the most important things that you can do at home that costs no money is massaging your face.
Yep.
Because it gets the blood flowing, which doesn't allow wrinkles to form.
Do we look younger?
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm massaging myself young.
We're a little pinker. Hopefully we look younger too.
Is there instant difference?
You look plumper.
Yes. Did plump my face.
Plump. Yeah, super easy to use.
And it was like $15. We'll leave the link in the description.
And you can have fun with it.
Yeah, and we'll put some more information on in the
Cupping.
description. Yeah, we'll put some information and awesome links that you could look into because I highly recommend it. So
Yay! Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
1, 2, 3,
Personal
personal
jinx.
jinx.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us some comments. Do you guys want us to actually get cupping professionally done on our bodies? Let us know, and we'll totally do it.
Yay!
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.